Hi, design manufacturers. It was great seeing you all last week, and look forward to seeing you back in school again. You made some great progress with your card models and your design ideas, design development. Want to just kind of remind you of the work that you should hopefully be doing at home today and other days until we see you back in school. So, most of you have got some photographs away with you of your card model. So, you should be annotating them with demonstrating your knowledge and understanding of the kind of design issues that you've highlighted. So, things like the aesthetics, or perhaps it was the ergonomics, or perhaps it was to make your model cheaper or smaller, cheaper, or perhaps it was to make it safer. So that's the sort of thing that will help you gain some of the marks up here. Also, start to annotate these in terms of ideas of what you could make your model out of, your final model. And you can suggest materials and give reasons for choosing them. Other bits that I wanted to highlight um, is that this bit here, refinement should lead to a level of detail which will allow manufacture of the proposal. So as we head through this stage and to the stages of manufacture, you will need to have knowledge of all the different joints that you're going to use. You're going to have to know what materials you're using, what sizes things will be. This is your project that you need to make these decisions on. In terms of your using models, you are also using them to test and evaluate against the specification. So you can also, beside your models, highlight that the specification points are met, or perhaps they're not met. And also, as you're continuing to use graphics, again, just highlighting to you here that it's not necessarily the volume of graphics, but it's the appropriate use of graphics. So, showing a two-dimensional view, perhaps a section where we're cut through to see something inside, see how something goes together. That would be an appropriate use of graphics. And to achieve marks in the top band, it is likely that a range of graphic types will be used. So don't stick to the same style of graphics. If all you've done is 3D sketching, do some 2D sketching, do some exploded sketching, do a kind of, as I say, a section where we've cut something away so we can see inside to see how something goes together. So over the next couple of weeks or the next period of time that you're working from home, this is the sort of stuff that I'm hoping you're going to complete so that when we're next back in school, we can be moving towards the stages for manufacture.